A big hi to everyone who's listening to our Living in Love channel. This most extraordinary period in our life is teaching us something very valuable. After I became the international coach of Love Your Life, Heal Your Life program, it has become very clear to me that every experience we have is created only by our thoughts. Thoughts which are invisible become visible through our experiences. In Tamil, we have a phrase which is commonly used, Manam pol varvu. When we take this particular situation, I want you to understand that this situation is happening only because each one of us wished for something like this. How many of us would have thought, how wonderful it would be for me to relax day after day, not having to go to office, but just sleep and eat and sleep. How many of us would have wanted an extended holiday with our family? Isn't that what is just happening now? Next, what we say, what we do not want persistently happens because what we give out, we get back. How many of us housewives would have thought, how can I manage a situation without a domestic help around? Not just one day, but we have been able to do that work too for more than 21 days. In my personal experience, I thought making dosa maavu is something very technical and I didn't know. For the first time in my life, I made dosa maavu. I know to make dosas, but never dosa maavu. The universe is actually teaching us that we are capable of doing whatever is given to us. Everything is possible is the message we are receiving right now. Drop resistance what we do or not like. Let us pray for a peaceful resolution to get what we want. Creator and nature are asking us to get back to love and gratitude. So we have to clearly choose what we want. We have to do everything with love. When we do everything from a space of love, we flow with life. We ride with life. We are not fighting with life anymore. We have to become clear about what I want in life. What sort of relationships you would like to have. Write it down. What kind of career you would like to have. You become clear about your goals. When you become clear, it becomes easier for the universe to give exactly what we really want. And be full of gratitude to the many beautiful blessings we are blessed with. However challenging your life may look right now, love and gratitude brings in the dawn of a new life. Signing off with lots of love. Shobana at Living in Love Center, which is a special space which nurtures your well-being in the physical, mental, emotional and spiritual planes. Do get in touch with us with the mail ID given below. Thank you.